Model, 2017 Peugeot Boxer L3 2.0 HDI low mileage Euro 6 spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 84,834 MOT, the 22nd of May 2024 engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine will need repairing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean, interior is very clean, rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. This van is extremely clean all-round. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £9,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.